we are recording. Okay, so full moon energy for the 16th of April. So the main focus will be, get it in the right place, higher heart activation. So when we do our full moon ritual, that will be the focus. So if you're doing a full moon ritual, that will be the focus. Quite a lot of nice energies around here. So we've got a new romantic cycle begins. So that is dancing with life. Okay, so this card here, dance with life. So that's a romantic connection with yourself. This is all about feeling more harmony, balance. There might be a restart of some description. It's also about justice and equilibrium. So dancing with life to change your energy to get into this, yeah. But it's also the time to take action during this the full moon and after. So it's a big yes. Tuning into your dreams, which when you tune into your higher heart, that's what you will be looking at, yeah. Not giving up, releasing soul patterns. So you do that by coming to your higher heart, you do that by coming here, yeah. End of a cycle here. It's this one. So it's literally the end of a cycle with the full moon, because we then go into the waning moon. So planning and effort will bring about what you desire, and then, you know, literally releasing it to the universe. Send it out there. And then we're into just say yes. It's a big yes. So we've got that twice. Okay. So time to take action, big yes. So when these things come up, say yes. When they're related to your higher heart, your soul. Time to give rather than take. So again, that comes back to the higher heart activation. Yeah. This one here. And getting things in order a little bit, yeah. Again, comes back to higher heart. So anything that doesn't serve your higher heart can be dropped, yeah. Communication is key. Again, this comes back to higher heart. So your heart connection, doing the things you love. So if you love to read more. But it's also around communication and letting people know how you feel from a higher heart perspective. Okay, so what we have realized is, because this is the other card, what are you holding on to? Okay, so when you drop those things that you're holding on to that don't serve your higher heart, your soul, yeah, you come into very genuine, authentic communication. Okay, because the universal love energy is our natural state of being. Anything outside of that is resistance. But there is a video. If I haven't posted it already, I think there probably will be by then. So anything outside of universal love, our natural state of being, shows up when those things come up. That is resistance to your heart center, your higher heart. Okay, if that makes sense. So attune to the divine. That's all around spirituality, meditation, stepping into the flow. So that is embracing the water elemental, but also staying attuned to your soul and your higher heart. Take a leap, yeah. So leaping, trusting, yeah, that the universe will catch you, and going for it, yeah. So this is around good news, opportunities, and keep going, be courageous, take action, be determined, yeah. Mintakan, longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. So we are, if you like, the original light workers. And then we come down to call your emotions. So this is all around balance, being aware of the emotions that are surfacing and releasing those, because they are the resistance to coming to the heart center, universal love. Okay, so it's a big love fest, this full moon, 100%. Sisterhood of the Rose, this is around beauty, devotion, mystic, teacher, priestess. Again, you could say that that's Hathor's. And then you've got speak your world into being. So what do you actually want? What do you want? And when you come from this place of the higher heart and your soul, it will tell you. Yeah, it will tell you what it wants. And then do you believe that you can create that? Know you are magic. Use kind words to yourself. And also ask your soul to speak to you. So yeah, the focus for this full moon is definitely around, get it in a minute, the higher heart activation, which is what we will be focusing on in our full moon ritual. So, amazing energy for this full moon. Let me just double check where it will be. Bear with me a minute. That's just my moon app making a noise. Now that's interesting because it is in Libra on the 16th, which is here. Yeah, new romantic cycle begins. Yes, this is a new moon in Libra, but what that brings is the balance. Yeah, higher heart activation. Yeah, dropping your crap, yeah, that doesn't serve your higher heart. What was the other thing that came up with the higher heart activation card? Dropping shields, divine love, your heart is healed. Love is the light we hold within. It's our true nature. So drop your shields for love to be revealed. I really love that. So yeah, fully embrace your divine nature. So I hope that helps you anyway. I think that's pretty amazing. So yeah, enjoy this full moon energy, fully embrace it, and I will see you in the next video. Stay fearless. Blessings.